I'm quite excited, guys, to share this analysis with you because nobody ever told you about this one. There are 3 stocks in my portfolio that nobody ever has done an analysis in public for. And this is one of them. So we will be either geniuses in 10 years looking this or not. Let's find out. I'm invested in this with my own money, so let's find out why. Now, my thesis is I don't know what's going to happen in 10 years, so I only invest in things that are sure happening. I know for sure that data is the new oil, so whatever I will do, it will do based on using data that's there. Now, I'm looking at assets that have this data, but not every data owner will capitalize the data because you need pricing power in order to command money for that data. So I'm looking at data owners with high pricing power. That's my specialty. And this is one of the top 15. I've analyzed 200. And this is one of the top 15 that owns relevant data and has the pricing power to use that data. So let's jump into it. If you're new to this channel, we are doubling this portfolio amount here. It's now at around 1 million and we have slightly above. And we have doubled every 3.8 years. The plan is in 2028 to double again to 2 million, then in 2031 to double to 4 million, 35 to 8 million, and so on, until 2043, where this public portfolio would be 32 million. Will we make it? We will find out together because I'm doing this in public. We will own the failures and we will own the insights. And it's definitely more fun to do research together. So I'm sharing my research with you. The company, which you have probably never heard about, is called Aspen Technology, ticker symbol AZPN. And what they do is they own the engineering data of heavy machinery, capital intense manufacturing and chemical industry. Now, they themselves are just a software, so they are capital light, but their clients are heavy industry. And when you have heavy industry, you have to optimize everything, otherwise your costs are too high. You have low margins, so everything is around cost management. Now, if there is a software that can help you optimize those costs, that software is very, very relevant, if not vital, for you. So it's immediately ROIing. Guess who builds that software? It's Aspen Technologies. So it's right now, this is a mature company. It is right now as we speak, it's improving the downtime for their clients, which means it's reducing costs and it's reducing risks. So clients love it. It's capital light, high switching costs, because when you have something that optimizes your production, you don't want to lose that. So let's look at the financials. As you know, we're looking for free cash flow per share growing year over year, operating margins increasing year over year, and return on capital employed increasing year over year. Why? Because that tells us that they have a strong strategic position, a strong pricing power. Now, the more I research, the more bullish I am. So current clients, oil and gas industry. One example that I found is BASF, large chemical manufacturer. They improved overall equipment effectiveness by 20%. You know what that means for BASF? That's amazing. They reduced energy consumptions by 6%. They increased production capacity without additional capital investment. Another example from a pharma client, Pfizer implemented Aspen's AI-powered modeling software and simulation, and it reduced time to market for new drugs. It improved yield in drugs manufacturing process by 15%. Food and beverage example, Nestlé is one of Aspen's clients. They use the software to optimize the supply chains. It improved demand forecasting accuracy by 30%. That's immediately ROIing for Nestlé, of course. It reduced inventory levels by 20%. It's optimized production scheduling, leading to a 5% increase in overall efficiency. So then there are examples from energy with wind farms that have optimized. There are examples from semiconductor manufacturing. I couldn't find out who it is. It is not disclosed, but they improved yield in chip production by 3%. They have reduced quality control related downtime by 25%. And they have optimized energy usage in clean rooms, leading to significant cost savings. I mean, those things, if you know a little bit about the industry, those are amazing results and you don't want to miss those results. So the financials are not great, but the use cases are so important and so potent. Right now, this is not, oh, maybe we will use AI in 10 years to do something. No, right now, BASF, Nestle, etc. are using it. Pfizer are using it to improve supply chain, improve inventory, improve efficiency, reduce costs, reduce downtime, speed up discovery in terms of drug discovery, material discovery. This is the love language of heavy industry, and when they hear this, they want this software. And on the other side, we as investor, we have something that's capital light. It's, from the price perspective, really good. It's modestly undervalued, I would say, because I think the fair value is around $235, and the financials are not super impressive, but the use cases are super impressive. Now the financials are okay. I'm watching them closely. But those use cases definitely got my attention. This is Aspen Technologies, ticker symbol AZPN. Let me know what you think of them. If you want my live trades and my live research on them, you see how I'm looking at the use cases, the current clients. I'm looking at this every day because I'm invested. And you can see my live trades, my live research in our Slack group, which is at strategysprints.com, and then you click community and join our community. Let me know what you think of Aspen Technologies. Is it on your watch list? Is it in your portfolio? What do you think? Does it have legs? And see you on the other side. Keep rolling.